Day 25, just me and the roosters are out. I did see some hikers already left. Got a nice ATM right in front of the hostel. That was very convenient. So I'm here out early. It's all uphill, so I figure I might as well do it while it's cool out. And it's kind of nice to hear all the roosters. It's enough light for me to see. The camera makes it a little bit brighter, but it's actually a little darker. All right, thank you for everything. Rabanal de Camino. That's the name of it right here. So I looked at my schedule on 4 days ahead. It won't hurt. It's kind of nice to have some time, extra time. Alright, we're gonna walk about 7 kilometers, I think, or so, and then get to another town, and I'll have coffee. I doubt anything is open this early anywhere around here. And sun's starting to come up. Very pretty. Just thought I'd do a selfie from a little far away. I see I'm carrying my day pack because my backpack is going to be transported today. Might as well close it. I have water. I don't even have food in here because I'll be getting some of that in the next few miles. If I can find an apple or something, I'll throw it in there, but we got some more walkers already out on the trail. We're also right next to the road for the bicycles and cars. Should have just taken the road, I suppose, but there's a lot of sharp pins. I don't know if the cars will see me. I would be the only one because everybody else is on the trail. Buen dia. And this is a nice little shady, woody area. Gotta love the moss, lichen. Wowie. First town. That's my coffee town. You see the trail, the way, up and over there. There's the little pass. See the people going through there. And the sun's coming out. Got a nice group of young ones, young school guys. Albuquerque had 27 of them, a big group. I don't know where they're from, but I think some college or something. Anyway, here's my coffee. And this is tortilla with ham and cheese. I got an apple and some snacks for the trip, the rest of the day, for lunch or something.
We also took like 10 minutes.
And I'm going to go see how far the next town is. Frogs. Town.
They're so lazy. I do like
I would agree with you. I don't think Jerry makes much sense, but it is funny when he says it. It's like, Jerry. I'm a big fan.
This little rock has come with me all the way from Corpus Christi, my backyard. Gracias, Señor, por todo lo que me ha dado toda mi vida. Cruz de Ferro.
Vamos, ponernos ahí. Hacerlo como de promoción.
Oh my gosh. Truly?
Yes.
You carry,
They don't believe me.
you carry this big rock?
I wanted the reveal when we were here.
Oh, it's very worth it.
I have to.
Thank you.
Todo mío, todo natural.
Bring the resurrection stuff. And documentary this. I can't suggest a documentary.
They're trying to be as handsome as they can be.
I actually saw my mom got this thing from like
An amazing place to reflect, to pray, and to watch some stupid people. Oh my God. The bicyclists came and stepped all over the rocks. Not a care in the world about anything. They just wanted to get next to the cruise so they could take a picture. Yeah, and then swearing in Spanish when they lost their footing. Yeah. Well, I am blessed to be here. Thank you, Lord. Gonna sit here for a little while.
I had a friend who had a butcher.
I would say I'm about halfway for today. Pretty cool. And it's 9:20, 8 a.m.
Bad turkey.
That was a wonderful, emotional moment up at Cruz de Ferro. And I think what touches my heart the most is how old it is. It is said that the records go back to 1500s, but it's not really certain when it was placed up there. So it's been a beacon of light for many, many, many pilgrims over many centuries. So now I'm going downhill slightly. We're not done with this climb here today. We're just going to go down slightly and then back up to an alto. That means the top of a mountain or a hill or a pass. And from there, we go halfway down. So really, I have 2 hours and 20 minutes before I get to the albergue according to Google Maps. That's assuming that I'm not stopping anywhere. And so I like to be there by 1. So I will be stopping, relaxing, because today's a special day. Basically, every day's a special day that I'm out here. But I'm in a hurry. And I'm walking extremely comfortable. My backpack, it's just a day pack, and it just has water and some snacks. That's it. So, really convenient. And that's what I mean. Anybody that wants to do the Camino can. Because it is made for anyone to transport their belongings, carry a small day pack. Yeah, and the sun's coming out. Tostada, sandwich, mixto. The town is Manjarin. We have a luxurious stop here. Very nice. Check it out. So when we're not walking together, we still keep in touch by WhatsApp. She was about maybe 20 minutes behind me. How do you like to sit there with that view? Yeah, I'm about to change seats. Yes, 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 yes. Just come in, get me out of here, screaming and kicking back to Texas. This is a life. I could get so used to this. It is amazing. It is really, really a nice place to be. Campos, campos, campos. Campos, I think, it translates to fields. Anyway, I got a ham and cheese grilled coming. And I'm just enjoying the nice sun. Sun's out. It came out at 10 o'clock. Fog burned away. Yeah. What a life. Refugio de Montaña. Man, too bad this one is not on the map. I would love to stay here just because it's so rustic. A la media de la Sagra. Machu Picchu is 9,000 kilometers. Yeah, I would say so. Let's see how far Colorado is. Oh, it doesn't say. ¿Dónde está? Ah, buenas tardes. Should have taken a picture earlier, but I went into that man's yard. He has a collection of flags. He doing a stamp. Nobody really stops there because everybody stops at the other one because that's the first place. But this man had a whole setup as well. And as nice as man, I spoke to him. He told me about his Camino when he did it. He also did another loop, which was all around Spain with a bunch of kilos in front. And in the back, he had his whole house with him. He walked the whole country years ago. He's been there 5 years now. What a nice man. Downhill. Uphill. Well, you can take the rocks or you can take the road. Hello. This is what I call smooth cruising. Everybody else can get through all the freaking rocks. I just don't get it. Okay, well, see you later. So the entire hillside is covered with wildflowers, from purple, yellow, and white. It's more like an orange. One of those is my home. And the first thing you see is always outdoor eating. Best places in towns. Casa de Peregrino. Obviously, I already have reservations. I'm all checked in after 16 kilometers, and this place is gorgeous. I love places with a fantastic backyard set up for pilgrims to just chill. So, laundry is back there. Nice place to sit. Let me see what's back here. There's probably a really nice view. That's what I'm hoping on. Let's take a walk back here. Mountain views. Today was the best for that. It really was. Wow. Hey, edge of town. Nice little side street. Basically, we have a main street, and that's where this albergue is at. And this is the back of the albergue main street. So as you can tell, this is a one street town. There's nothing behind it, like several streets full of homes or anything. And it's just full of businesses for people to stay and eat. I love this place. There's a church back there. I can see that. Okay. Let me wrap up, or at least get started on my video for today. It's been a beautiful day. I love the scenery of the mountains. No more flat stuff. So we're up and down. So today I sent forward my backpack, and that was the best decision. Tomorrow it's the other half of going down. So I went down half of it today. And we had a nice bunch of little places to visit, as you can see in my video. And okay, we'll see you soon.